It's a red spotted millipede. Oh my god, two millipede on the ground. Ooh. The red spotted millipede. This is also the rare millipede in. This is also the long legs millipede. These two guys can get along with each other. Ooh. Oh my god! King millipede. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? Crap. Scorpion. The scorpion is really angry. Oh my god. Angry scorpion. Whoa. Oh my. Wow, let's check it here. It's a giant scorpion. Wait on. Wow. Nothing, huh? Oh, so baby scorpion. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. It's also scorpion. Okay, come on. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god, it's too. Ooh. Look at here, everyone. Red spotted me. This can, but unbelievable. Oh, amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here, this can millipede too. Oh my god. Whoa, looking so powerful. Ooh. The crab is running one. Wow, oh my god. It's real crab here. Wow, unbelievable. Oh my god, everyone. It's the giant scorpion. Ooh. Wow, oh my god. Look at those. Oh my god. Unbelievable. God. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. On the plant here. Amazing. Oh, oh, okay. Here. Oh, oh my God! It's red-spotted millipede. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Oh. Oh. God. Wow. Millipede. Oh my God. Whoa. Wow. Let's catch those. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, look at this one. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Come on. This is the gray millipede. This is gray millipede. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Okay. Ooh. Catch you in the hand like this. Very comfortable. Ooh. Amazing. Ooh, see? She does. Okay. Yeah, wow. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Oh. Look over here. What is it? Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I see. I see it. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Unbelievable. Oh. Wow. Oh. It's very hard to take it. Oh my God. It's stuck inside there, everyone. Oh. Ooh, it's dead. Nothing here. Oh. Ooh. Oh dear. Oh. Right there, everyone. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh. It's a venomous scorpion. Oh. Okay. Wow. Still another one. Still right there. Oh. Oh. Wow. The cute baby scorpion here. Oh. It's hiding here. Wow. Shoo. Oh. Ooh. What is this? What is it? Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. It's a fat scorpion. It's a fat scorpion here. Whoa, it's thinking my stick here. Okay. Oh. Okay. Wow, look at here. This scorpion is so cute. This is a smaller one, the baby scorpion. Look, see here. It's nothing. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a giant scorpion. No, it's a giant millipede. And also many red millipede here, and also red spotted millipede, and the gray millipede inside this too. Oh my God. Unbelievable, everyone. Unbelievable. Oh. Oh my God. Whoa. That looks very unique here. Oh my God. Look at the giant millipede. It's very, very big one inside among of this animal here. It's very interesting. Oh. Oh, look at here. Along of this. Oh. Oh. What is it? I see something here. Oh. Okay. Let's take it slowly. Oh. It's a monster inside here. Inside there. Ooh, come on, come on, come on. It's coming out. It's coming out. Ooh, okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. It's a venom scorpion here, everyone. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, it looks so dangerous. It looks so dangerous here. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. A dead tree here. A big dead tree here. Let's open the shell here. Ooh. Ooh, a lizard. Ooh. 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 Oh my god. Ooh. It's a snail, everyone. Snail and giant millipede. Whoa, unbelievable. Whoa. Wow, how can this animal come to live here, everyone? It's very unbelievable. Whoa. Whoa. It's very wonderful. It's very wonderful. Okay, this is the American snail. But I think this snail is dead, everyone. Oh no, not yet, but I think it has no food. I think this is no food. Oh, this baby one. Oh, this one is dead. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Very amazing. It's very amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh. How can this happen? How did this happen? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. They don't want to stay together. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, let's check it here. Ooh, ooh. Oh, everyone, here. Oh, the monster scorpion hiding here. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's very stubborn. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. 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 It's very stubborn one. It's running so fast here. Oh. 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 Stubborn one. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How great it is. How great it is. Okay. Ooh. Over there. Right there. Ooh. Okay. 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 Ooh. 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 Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, he's stinking my stick here. Come on, come on. Okay, come out here. Oh yeah. Yes. Yeah, right here. Oh. Oh, chill. Oh, wow. Now I got all the monster here, everyone. I got all the monster here. Do you love this, everyone? Love it so much. 3 here. Oh. Whoa, what is it? Ooh. Ooh, what is it, everyone? Oh my god, it's a scorpion. Oh. Whoa. Ooh, this is the venomous scorpion. Ooh, it's an aggressive scorpion here, everyone. Look at the belly. Oh, amazing. Wow, this is the aggressive scorpion and also the most expensive stingers animal. Ooh. Oh, it's a red millipede. Look at here. Oh, 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 oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, everyone. Oh, a lot of millipedes. Oh my God. Here, red spotted millipede, red millipede, and the white millipede. Oh my God. Oh, 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 everyone. Oh my God. Amazing. It's amazing. Oh my God, look at here. Okay, let's catch this, all these bugs, all these red millipede bugs here. Oh my goodness. I can't imagine this. Here, everyone. See? This is look very impressive. All the millipede are close up on my hands like this. Look at this. Ooh. Let's show this one. This is the white body, but the legs are the red one. You see, this is the very special one. So if you see the red millipede, the body is also red and the legs also red. But this one, the legs are red, but the body is a bit white and gray. So this kind of spicy. Ooh. It's also the red spotted millipede here. So it has kinds of millipede everywhere. Oh, look at this guy. It's the red one, and the small one is the black spotted millipede. Here, you see here. It's too small. Oh, in the soil here. Amazing, amazing. See. Oh, look at this one. Oh, yeah. So this is kind of red. That's kind of red area. So that's why the red millipede is like literally. Oh, it's the dead millipede. It's a dead millipede. Oh, here. Oh, it's hiding in the soil here. Impressive. I call the spotted millipede is the dragon. The dragon millipede. I always call it like this. Okay, let's see it more. Oh, oh, ooh, in the soil here. Wow. Ooh. Oh, so this millipede living in the soil, everyone. Let's see. Okay, let's find. Ooh. Oh my God. Here, they make the hole in this mud here. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, everyone. So a lot of hole here is the millipede hole. Oh, where are they? Oh, oh, whoa, here, everyone. Wow, here. Ooh, red spotted millipede. So this millipede also make a hole too. Wow, unbelievable. Let's see it here more. Oh, here. Oh my God. Oh, ooh. Wow. Oh, oh, catch the below one here. Wow, got a black spotted millipede here too. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, amazing. So this millipede made a hole for themselves. Oh, oh, come on. Okay. Wow, wonderful. Oh, it's a big hole here. Oh, oh my God. Ooh. Wow, they're sleeping here. So all the kind of millipede here with scorpion. Oh, 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 red spotted millipede here. Okay. Oh, here. Wow. Okay, come on, come on. Oh, what is this pipe in? Let's see. Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh my God, here everyone. Look at this, look at this. Oh, this millipede look like a love shape. Look, doing like this look like a love shape. You see? Wow, unbelievable. Oh, close up. So the millipede species always close up when something touch their body. This is their nature. Wow, look how lovely it is. So the legs are curled up around in the body here. And this is the sharpened tail. Maybe it's the weapon of this giant millipede to protect themselves. See? So look at this. For two red millipede compared to the big one is very, very different. So you see? Wow. Scorpion is the best stinging ever. Look at the sharpened tail here. The most sharpened weapon. Oh, look very here. Oh, what's the hole here? Oh, it's the deep hole inside this. But there's nothing inside this hole. Okay. Ooh, it's the American snail, but it's also dead, everyone. It's just died. Oh. Oh, it's a hole here. Let's see it. Is there something inside this hole? Oh. 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 Oh, I see something inside this. Oh. 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 Everyone. Sorry. Look, it's the big two guy. Oh. Oh. It's a giant scorpion. Oh my God. Oh. 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 This is a really big one, everyone. See? Look at its tails. Look at the tail here. It's stinging my equipment here. Oh my goodness. Look how big it is. Wow. Whoa. Ooh. Oh. Oh my, look at when the body is like this, it means this scorpion is very aggressive. Look at the tail. Oh no 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 no. Oh 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 no, it's fighting each other. Oh, this one I think he is the king, so that's why he want to manage this the other one. Oh, no fighting at all. Okay, let's separate these two guys. Fighting again. Look at this red box here. So these two types of millipede are the same size, and this one is the king, the big one, and this giant centipede or this scorpion is also the king in among these two. Oh, all the millipede close up here. It's very impressive animal here. So when you touch the scorpion, you need to have the chopstick here, like I have here. Okay, that's why you can keep yourself safe from this animal. Look at this plant. This plant is the best food for the fish. Fish love eating this plant. Okay, let's look near the wall of the soil. Oh, it's another hole, everyone. Oh, oh my God! It's another scorpion. Wow, unbelievable. So the scorpion is hiding here. Oh, so scorpion also can live in the water, everyone. Okay, let's catch it. This one is in a medium size compared to the previous one. Okay. Wow. Ooh, amazing. Okay, now let's put this scorpion into the water and see how long it can live. Okay. Oh. Now it's breathing in the water. Wow. Oh, where's it going? Oh, they don't go up here. They don't walk outside the water. Amazing. It's an amazing animal. Wow. Okay. Let's bring it up here. Oh, this one is walk up. Wow, look at this 3 giant scorpion here. Very black and look very powerful. This look very powerful here, everyone. The giant millipede one is almost biggest inside among of this. Wow. I can't believe I can find this animal at the same time. Do you love scorpion? Do you know that the scorpion can eaten by the people, and it's also nice. It's also nice food. Also nice food. Okay. So hope you will love watching this video, and don't forget to support by click like, comment and subscribe to my channel, everyone. Okay?